Oh man, that is the worst dog I have ever seen.
I think you can get in trouble for drawing something so stupid.
What seems to be the problem over here, my little spirits?
Oh, nothing, just hanging out.
Oh, okay, 'cause it kind of smells like judgment over here.
You can smell judgment?
Haha, did I say smell? I meant felt.
Myself, I think it smells a little like Chiba. So, Towhead, what's up with the beard, man? You're like in 8th grade.
What beard?
Boys, may I borrow some of your life spirit over here for a minute?
I didn't do it.
Listen, I notice you don't understand what art means, and I feel like you would benefit from grading some of your peers' work for detention today.
Oh, man.
Just one last thing. Okay, little spirits, I'll see you after school.
Man, this is so boring. These paintings are weak, man.
I know. I'm actually having to look at Crying Billy's stupid dog again. That was weird.
Oh, what the F? Where are we?
It looks like a painting.
Okay.
Hey, can you tell us how to get out of here?
Hey, why isn't he saying anything?
He looks like a shitty stick figure. He probably doesn't even have a mouth. I think we lost him.
Yeah, well, now we're in someone's backyard.
I remember this picture.
Arf, arf.
Don't move.
Arf, arf.
What the hell? I told you not to move.
Well, sorry, but we both knew I was gonna run. I'm not about to get humped by Billy's dog. And besides that, we've got bigger problems.
What?
This is Sheila's picture.
So?
I gave her an F because she looks like a giant dude with makeup on. Wait for me! You suck, man! Look at that! We're in my picture!
You're such an emo. Come on, I think they're catching up. I think I see a way out.
Look, there's the door!
Oh my god, those stupid drawings are getting closer. Hurry! I'm giving everyone an A. Hey, Timmy. What's with the beard?
What beard?